Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda Africa Twin 1000. This is the dual clutch 6-speed automatic transmission model, ABS brakes. It's got all kinds of engine modes. It's got a smoke windscreen, adjustable mirrors, hand guards, and only 402 miles. That's right, 402 miles on this gorgeous showroom condition Africa Twin 1000 with automatic. Come on by, make your adventure dreams come true for just $10,990. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.